you do this? Ask the maidens, and then we'll convince you. Send us.
The prince is right, your grace.
Very well. Prince Jacaerys will fly north, and then to Winterfell, to treat with Lord Cragan Stark for the support of the north. Prince Lucerys will fly south to Storm's End. It's been said that as Targaryens, we are closer to gods to men. The Iron Throne puts us a touch closer to that. But if we are to serve the Seven Kingdoms, we must answer to their gods. If you take this errand, you go as messengers, not as warriors. You must take no part in any fighting. Swear it. No. To the eyes of the Seven. I swear it.
I swear.
I expect you will receive a very warm welcome. Yes, ma'am. Your Grace.
If you die,
And you will at last be king.
you are to lock and bar this door. The Queen must be confined until she regains her senses.
It is treason!
Rejected my counsel by every attempt to join the fight.
So you make war with her instead?
They killed my brother, Bailey. I won't let them take her as well. Come with me. We are ready. We can use the killer.
To battle.
'Tis all. What have you done? Jace. Jace. What have you done? How could you? How could you do this? How could you do this to me? You answer me. How could you do this?